lazy Saturday instead of a lazy Sunday.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
What are you doing? What are you doing? See? Just feeding Ruby. She's just been asleep. We got fed the boars now. She can only have milk when she's going to bed. No, going to sleep and waking up. So she had some and went to sleep. And now she's just woke up, so she's had some more. But yeah, I've been stuck between them two asleep for the last 2 hours, so I've not been up. Look at my cute baby. My cute baby. Just moved and it made him wake up. Damn it. You're a nutter. Put the music on now. Da-dum, 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 dum, dum, da-dum, da-dum, dum, dum.
I was drunk.
Watching Onyx.
I was totally
Eating my
I'm
food.
not
Yum.
even sure I did have sex with him. Yeah, this is exactly how I imagine
And I
it
got
would have to be.
juice and a cup of tea like always, because I don't drink tea
Connor's word for it.
when it's freshly made because it's too hot. And drinking hot drinks can give you throat cancer. So I get a cold drink as well.
Layers and layers of lashes revealed. New Lash Sensational. Hey, there are shorts. Look how they shine. Wow.
Look how Iceland Crystal polarizes the light. National Geographic presents the amazing world of gems and minerals. Discover their secrets and classify samples from 5 continents that come with every magazine. Issue 1 golden news edits now, 99p.
Upside Steve pays culinary visit and will retrieve the Mercedes Scarlet revealed. As with the turns on
You just scribbled all over me. You just scribbled all over me. Oh, you just scribbled all over me.
Did you have a nice sleepy sleep? You woke up from your sleep and you're messing around now? Oh, June.
Yeah, chew.
You have to say it when you like a song, Ruby. When you like a song. We're just making cakes, aren't we, Ruby? What cake are we making? Tell them what cake we're making. Banana cake! Banana and chocolate cake. And we've added marshmallows. Go on then, put the marshmallows in. All of them. Want me to help? We're going to mix the marshmallows in for me? Ooh, it looks yummy, doesn't it?
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah, I can't wait to eat it.
Yeah, I may.
I can't believe this. I'm doing a washed up and Ruby comes to me after playing with Lego for a while. And she's made a helicopter by herself. I'm sure she has because it wasn't there before and she says she has. Look, it's amazing. And it's got a little person in. Did you put a little person in there?
Yeah.
That's amazing, Ruby. It's missing the top of it, but it's amazing. It looks exactly like what it's supposed to be. It's amazing. Well done. Then I'll huff.
Can you eat mine?
Yeah. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down, cried the wolf.
I don't see it fall down in the
No, leave it, it's hot. Well, the wolf huffed and he puffed and tried to blow the house down, but it was so strong it didn't move at all. Right, you need to go and brush your teeth, don't you?
Ow.
Right, go with her hand. She needs to go and brush her teeth now. Good girl. I was finally gone to sleep. Ruby's asleep for the last hour, and now I'm going to enjoy some more of our delicious banana cake we made. Oh, it's lush. Gotta make some more of that again. But we had a lazy day really. Ruby plays in Lego. I don't think I believe that she made that. I'm so mean. She came with me, as I showed you, she came with me to show me a helicopter she made all by herself. And I haven't seen it before. It wasn't in there last time. So I'm trying to think, like, if someone came round and if they made it and put it in there. I really don't know now. I might mean not to not believe her, but it's just not something that she'd do, just like sit there and actually make something. She'll either usually ask for help or she'll try and read the instructions, and I don't know. I don't know if she'd be able to do it or not. If she did do it, I'm amazed, but I'm going to have to like ask people that have been rammed first if they did it. I don't know. It's confused me because don't really get many visitors around, so I don't know who could have done it. I'm not ready to believe that she did it yet. I'm proud of her and I'm like everything, but I don't know. I've not known her to be able to do that. Anyway,